Welcome back. I hope you're doing amazing. I hope you had a good holiday as well. I'm going to be showing you how to make this hydrating face mist for glowing skin, and it's made with lovely hydrating ingredients that your skin is sure to love. So I'm going to show you my process step by step for making this face mist. So let's go ahead and get started. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Esther. I make DIY hair and skincare videos. I'm also a small business owner. I sell my skincare products online, and I also have online formulating classes, ebooks. Everything I mentioned will be linked in the description box of this video. The complete formula recipe is going to be at the end of the video, and it's given in percent and it's also converted to grams. So check for that at the end of the video. I'm going to get started weighing out my ingredients, and I'm going to be using some vegetable glycerin. This is going to add hydrating benefits to this face mist. Vegetable glycerin is a humectant and it's a solvent. It's a thick liquid, so it's very good for mixing other ingredients as well. So I'm just going to weigh out my vegetable glycerin. I'm using Yuxil K903 as my preservative, since this is a water-based product, and this is a broad spectrum preservative. It's effective against bacteria, yeast and mold, so you will be needing a preservative for this face mist because it contains water, and you want to use a preservative to protect your product and to extend the shelf life as well. I'm adding in some propindial. This is also a humectant, and it's going to increase hydration to your skin. I'm going to be using some chamomile floral water, basically a chamomile hydrosol. This is very soothing for your skin. It also helps to calm irritated skin as well. And to this, I'm going to be adding in some aloe vera liquid. Aloe vera has soothing, moisturizing, hydrating benefits. It's packed with so many amazing vitamins. So very, very nourishing for your skin. I'm going to be using some extracts in this face mist. If you don't have these extracts, you can either use what you have or you can omit them from the formula. I'm going to be using some lemon extract. It's packed with tons of vitamins, antioxidants that help to naturally brighten the skin. I'm also adding in some kale extract. Kale extract is also packed with tons of antioxidants, vitamins that help to nourish and boost skin health. I'm going to be using some N-acetylglucosamine. So this ingredient helps to reduce hyperpigmentation. It's a nice fine powder that dissolves quickly into the liquid. It helps to increase moisture to your skin. It can help increase elasticity of the skin. It also works best if you have niacinamide. That would also give it more strengthening power. for your skin, but on its own it has amazing hyperpigmentation benefits. So you just want to give this a quick mix. It really doesn't take that long, but you want to make sure that all the powder has dissolved into the liquid. After mixing, this is what the mixture is looking like. So everything has completely dissolved the powder. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and check the pH. It's very important to check the pH of any water-based product you're making. So I'm just going to pour a small amount into my jar, and then I'm going to use my digital pH meter. I just rinse it off first in some distilled water, shake it off gently, and then I'm going to put that in the jar to check the pH. And the pH is at 5.17. I did not need to make any adjustments. For most facial products, hair care products, the pH ranges anywhere from 4.5 to 5.5. So this is within range. So I'm happy with that, and it's pretty much ready. The face mist is pretty much ready. So all I need to do now is to go ahead and package the mist into my bottles. And before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and share the formula. Here is the formula, and it's in percent, and it's also been given in grams. And the hydrating face mist for glowing skin is ready for use, and feel free to make changes, substitutions to make it work best for your own skin type. But this is formulated for pretty much all skin types. There shouldn't be any sensitivity, but with any new product that you try, be sure to do a test patch to make sure there's no irritation. So to use this face mist, you want to start off on freshly washed, cleansed skin. That is what you want to start with, and then you can just spray lightly all over your face, your neck, and then you just want to gently pat that into your skin. It soaks into your skin very quickly, and then you will just follow up with the rest of your skincare routine. After you use the face mist, that would be the time to apply your face serums, like your water-based serums. Pat that into your skin, follow up with a moisturizer, oil if you use one. If it's during the daytime, you want to follow up with SPF, and if you're using it at nighttime, you don't need the SPF. But that's pretty much it. This feels really good on the skin. It doesn't feel sticky. It just soaks right in. It's very light. But I hope you enjoyed my process for making this face mist. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. But if you found this helpful, please don't forget to like the video, leave me a heart emoji, comment, because that helps me out so much. But thank you so much for watching, and you enjoy the rest of the holiday season. Thank you so much for your support always, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.